How to link ATO to MyGov on mobile. Welcome, and this guide will walk you through the simple steps to link your Australian Taxation Office or ATO account to your MyGov account using your mobile device. This will allow you to conveniently access tax services anytime, anywhere. To begin, open the MyGov app on your mobile phone. If you're not already logged in, enter your username and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the menu or find the tab labeled Services. This is usually located at the bottom or top of your screen depending on your app version. Under Services, tap on Link a Service. You'll see a list of government agencies. Look for and select Australian Taxation Office from the list. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. Have your TFN, date of birth, and other personal details ready. You may also be asked to answer security questions to confirm your identity. Once your identity is confirmed, review the details on the screen. If everything looks correct, tap Confirm. Your ATO account will now be linked to your MyGov account. If you encountered any problems, make sure your details match exactly with the ATO records. Also check that your MyGov app is updated to the latest version. If issues persist, don't hesitate to contact the ATO for support.